Alright guys, make Steve's super secret special pickle brine. 500 grams of water, 35 grams of apple cider vinegar, 20 grams of salt, 2 twists of grapefruit, 1 sprig of rosemary, and 2 sprigs of dill, 0.4 grams of fennel seed, 8 grams of sugar, 0.6 grams black peppercorn, 1.5 grams coriander, and 0.5 grams of mustard seed. I've got my water just about to a boil. I'm going to bring it to a boil, roll it back just a little bit so it stays just under a boil. I've got all my spices here. All those, the mustard, the coriander, black pepper, the fennel. I want to lightly crush those just so it kind of gets into the liquid. So I got my little muddler. I'm just going to lightly crack them open while the water's heating up. It's not pulverizing, you're just cracking. You know? There we go. Alright, I think I got a good amount cracked in there. So we're just at a boil. I'm rolling it back just a touch. Beautiful. Alright, let's get my little thing. So I'm going to dissolve the sugar and the salt first. A little sugar. Get that dissolved in there. Alright, so we're pretty dissolved. I'm going to bring it back to temperature and we're going to add all the spices and stuff. Alright, let's add everything. Black pepper, coriander, fennel seed, mustard seed. Beautiful. We got the dill, rosemary in there, a little grapefruit to help bridge the gap. Beautiful. So I'm going to cover this, turn the heat down really low, just keep it below a boil. I don't want it boiling. And I'm going to steep this for about 20-25 minutes, give it a good long steep. And then we're going to take it off, cool it, and add the vinegar last. I don't want to cook the vinegar off. I want that to be fresh in the ingredient. So we're going to let this simmer. Turn that heat down low, real low. So I'm going to let that simmer for 20-25 minutes and we'll be back and we'll take a look. Alright guys, so we're back. So we've simmered this for about 20-25 minutes. Took it off the heat. It's been cooling down. You want to let it cool down a little bit before you add the vinegar. The vinegar can kind of boil off at higher temperatures. You kind of want to preserve its integrity. So I think it's ready. I'm going to take everything, kind of all the botanicals out, strain it, and this is the point where I'll add the vinegar. So I have it aside. Put it in my little container, and let's strain this puppy. Alright, and there you have it, guys. So I see even little bits of oil floating in there from all the botanicals. Smells like this is going to go great with grapefruit. Ooh, it's going to be nice. So there you have it, guys. This is Steve's super secret pickling juice, and that's how you make it. So we're going to put this in the fridge and we're going to use it in the drink.